Alright, so today we're animating a ball. Yeah, just a simple bouncing ball. Because every big animation starts small. And this one's where it all begins. Let's bounce! Okay, first thing, get rid of the default cube, and let's add a UV sphere instead. Alright, add a plane and move it down a bit. Yeah, gravity needs somewhere to land. Okay, now let's set the camera so we can get a nice view of our ball. Also, tweak the size of the ball and the plane. You know, make them look like they actually belong in the same universe. Okay, let's add a subdivision surface modifier, because a bumpy ball is just awkward. Okay, select the sphere and drop a keyframe at frame 1. We'll start with its location. Alright, now jump over to frame 20, bring the ball down till it touches the ground, and turn the all keyframes on. Okay, now just copy those keyframes, jump to frame 40, and paste them. Same process again, just follow along with what I'm doing. Okay, that's looking pretty cool. Now, select all your keyframes, go into the easing options, and switch it to ease in and out. That'll make the bounce feel more natural. Alright, let's jump into render view and set up some nice lighting. Add a couple of area lights to make it look cool. And our plane needs a background, so just extrude it up a bit to make a simple wall. Okay, now let's add a nice base color to the sphere, maybe something bright. Try playing around with the material values and roughness to get that perfect shine. And yeah, let's fix the lighting. It's a bit dark right now, so adjust those area lights till the scene feels balanced. Alright, before hitting render, turn on denoise. Trust me, it'll make your animation look way cleaner. Set your render samples to 5 for quick previews and 15 for the final shot. Now set the in-frame to 200, frame rate to 30 FPS, and change the output format to MPEG-4 with high quality. Once that's done, hit render animation, and boom! Your masterpiece is ready. And that's it! Your first bouncing ball animation in Blender. Pretty simple, right? But this little project actually teaches you the basics of timing, movement, and how Blender thinks. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. We've got a lot more fun Blender stuff coming soon.